Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super exciting. How to link your Barclays bank account to Bitcoin in 2025. With cryptocurrencies becoming more mainstream, this step could make managing your investments a breeze. But remember, the crypto world is always changing, so let's dive into the essentials. First things first, make sure your Barclays account is fully verified. Head to your Barclays app or website and check that all your details are up to date. In 2025, Barclays has integrated advanced crypto features, so look for the Crypto Connect section. It's designed to make linking seamless. Next, choose a secure Bitcoin wallet. Options like Coinbase or a hardware wallet from Ledger are popular. Download and set it up. Verifying your identity is required. This is crucial for safety. Now, for the linking process. Open your Barclays app and navigate to the crypto section. You'll need to grant permissions for bank transfers. Enter your Bitcoin wallet address carefully, double-check to avoid any errors. Barclays might use biometric verification, like fingerprint or facial recognition, to confirm the link. Once linked, you can transfer funds easily. For example, initiate a transfer from your Barclays account to your Bitcoin wallet. Keep an eye on fees. In 2025, they could be lowered due to blockchain improvements, but always monitor exchange rates. A few tips to stay safe. Enable two-factor authentication everywhere, monitor your accounts regularly, and never share sensitive info. The crypto space can be risky, so if you're new, start small. And there you have it. You're all set to link up and start trading. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.